She picked.
Pick a color.
She picked this one.
Go ahead. Oh, what color did you choose?
Blue.
Oh, you chose blue. Okay. Pick an egg. Take one. Go ahead, take it. Oh, what a nice egg. Okay.
Oh!
Did we save it? Wow, that's a good egg.
It's secure.
Okay. All right, Allie. Let's put the egg. Put the egg in. Put the egg.
Maybe she'll watch the first one and then get the idea, and then the next one.
Put the egg in. Close it. And then shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your Easter egg. Where'd it go, Allie? Where'd it go? Did it break?
Smash.
The first Yay! Yay, Allie!
Better at it last year.
Say yay! Clap hands! Yay!
I had 14 anyway, right?